How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you, and longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. How long will I hold you?
Ahead. Let's all enjoy the music. We'll all keep on grooving, and let's make sure that we continue with our grooves. So the band is here. Uncle Matthew and his friend.
This number is dedicated to Barry Krystal. As we walk into the room, so I think so this is a very befitting song, Walk in the Room.
I can feel a new expression on my face. I can feel a glow and sensation taking place. I can hear the guitars playing of the tunes every time that you walk in that room. I close my eyes for a second and pretend it you want. Meanwhile I try to act so nonchalant. I see a summer night with a magic moon. Every time that you walk in that room, maybe it's a dream come true, standing right alongside you. Wish I tell how much I care, but I only have the nerve to I can feel that something's pounding in my brain. Just any time that someone speaks your name, trumpets sound and I hear thunderbolt. Every time that you walk in that room.
No town looks the same as a step down from the train. And there to meet me, it's my mama and papa. shade of that old oak tree. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry, and there's an old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the road I walk, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips and chin. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. Oh, it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. And then I wake up and look around me, and 4 green walls that surround me. And then I realized, yeah, I was only dreaming. And there's a guard, and there's a sad old pattern. On and on, we'll walk at daybreak again. I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me in the shade of that old tree as they lay me neath the green, green grass of home.
Oh, so good.
Don't ever let me find you down, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Gone in everlasting love, and dedicate them all to me. And I will give you all my life, and I am here should call to me. You think that I don't even mean a single word I'd say. It's only words, and words are all I have. Take your faith. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. Baby, you don't know what it is. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away.
Great expectation, everyone's watching you. People you meet, they all come to see you. Even your old friends treat you like something new. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. You look in her eyes, the music begins to play. Hopeless romantics, here we go again. But after a while, you look at the other way. It's those restless hearts that never mend. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Will she still love you when you're not around? There's so many things you should have told her. But night after night, wondering There's a light I never showed on me. I want my life to be to live with you, live with you. There's a way. Everybody say to do each and everything. But what good does it bring if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. In my brain, see your face again. I know my friend of mine. You ain't not be so blind, and I'm blind. So sorry, 'cause I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and I breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You know I love you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like.
Friends and relatives, the bride and groom is almost here and they will be making the grand entry. We request all our friends and relatives who are outside as well as inside the hall to kindly take your places. In a short while, after a song or two with the band, we will be giving the bride and groom, Barry and Krystal, a very grand entry with loud cheers. So let's make that happen. Today's a special day. Let's make this day memorable not only to the bride and groom but also to ourselves for being part of this celebration. So do enjoy. After a few songs, we will be having the bride and groom.
How long will I love you? As long as stars are above you. Longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as the seasons need to follow their plan. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. How long will I want you? As long as you want me to, and longer by far. love you, and longer if I may.